So great, we receive our prompt reply. Spring Boot is a popular open source framework used for a developer developing Java application. So lots of AI dependency over there. Okay. Like Azure, AI search and all. Okay. So we create on OpenAI. For this project, we are not using OpenAI because now it's paid. So for learning purpose, what we download an open source LLM model in our system, and we use that LLM model to integrate Spring Boot and build a project. Hello coders, welcome back again to DevByte School. So we started with AI adoption playlist. So this is our first video. So in this first video, we talk about a Spring AI. Spring AI is an application framework which is newly added in a Spring ecosystem. If you ask me what is Spring AI in a simple word, Spring AI is an abstract layer which is seamlessly integrated with AI tools, for example, OpenAI. So in this video, we develop one chatbot using help of Spring AI, and we understand how we integrate this whole stuff. And in a future video, we go step by step in a harder level. In that, we develop image recognition, language processing, and so on. So before starting a video, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, I highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon. So whenever we add a new video in this playlist, you get a notification. Okay. So let's jump to implementation. So open Spring Initializer. Okay, so we are adding the Spring AI Maven dependency in our Spring Boot project. For that, we need to create one Spring Boot project. So two prerequisites for this. First is your Java language is more than 11 version, and your Spring Boot version is more than like 2.5. So here we select a Java language, then building tool, which is Maven. Okay, so here stable version is like 3.4.3. We select that. After that, let's create a group com.ai. Okay, and just give name chat bots. Okay, after that, just give some description like Spring AI chat bots study project. After that, you need to select a package like jar or war, and I'm selecting as a jar, then a Java version as a 17. You can change after that. Okay, in a form file. After that, we need to add a dependency. So let's add first, like we need to add a web dependency because we are integrate APIs, REST API, GET API to give a prompt and get an output. For this, we select Spring Web. After that, we need to add AI dependency. So here, if you type AI, so lots of AI dependency over there. Okay, like Azure, AI search and all. Okay, so we create on OpenAI. After that, click on generate. So after click on generate, one zip file is created. Let's jump to there. Okay, and just unzip that. After unzipping, open an IntelliJ, click on open, go to downloads and click on chatbot and click on open. Trust this project. So IntelliJ start downloading all important dependency which we added. After successful adding all dependency, let's run our application. Just select IDE. It's 20. I have 20 installed in my system. Just wait some time. Let's click on run. So after running one application, we see one error, which is factory method unable to connect properties. So Spring AI need one application properties file, which is Spring AI open.api key. So it's need a OpenAI API key to start integration. So for this project, we are not using OpenAI because now it's paid. So for learning purpose, what we download an open source LLM model in our system, and we use that LLM model to integrate Spring Boot and build a project. So for that, we are using Ollama. So Ollama is a open source tools. You can download that in your system and run that. So click on download, and whatever version you have, just click on download. I have Mac OS. After that, it took some time to download. So after download, go to your download folder and successfully unzip that stuff. After unzipping, just run this Ollama. So after successfully installing Ollama in your system, you have to run specific model, LM model for this. So Llama 3 is model over there. We are using that. So we need to run one command, Ollama run llama 3. So it takes some time. After successfully Ollama, give a prompt like what is Spring AI, and Ollama start give you prompt in your system. That's great. After installing this, let's close this stuff. It's giving me prompt. Okay, the speed is very less because it's using our local RAM for this. Okay, let's close this. Yes, I want to terminate. After that, we need to run one more command to install Mistral. So for that, command is Ollama run Mistral. So after running this command, Mistral run your system, you can use one command in a terminal, okay, to check like everything's installed perfectly or not. Ollama list. So it give you a list, everything is installed like a Mistral and Llama 3. Now we good to start the coding. So let's jump to IntelliJ. So first we need to create a service layer. So click on package and create a package service. So in the service package, let's create one class, which name is Chatbots service. Click on enter. After clicking enter, just give annotation service. So before starting the main coding, we need to add one important dependency in form file. So here we are not using OpenAI. So we remove this unwanted stuff. Okay, because it give us error to add OpenAI API key. So after that, we need to add Ollama Maven dependency in a POM file. Okay, so let's add that. Click on Maven and reload project. After that, in a properties file, we need to add two important properties for Ollama. One is Ollama model, like we are using Llama 3 for this, and the Ollama run on locally on 11434 port. So we provided the base URL. So after that, let's jump to our service class. So in service class, let's use Ollama chat model that help us to communicate with Ollama LM models. Create one function which return type is string, public string prompt. Just name it as a prompt generator. So the prompt generator taking input as prompt, and after that use this Ollama model dot call and pass this prompt. So return type of this call function is a string. Just return this string. Return this stuff. After that, let's create one controller, chatbots controller. So just annotate this with REST controller. So in REST controller, create one function which is a private return type is string prompt generator. Just copy this function just as it is. Just name it as call. Okay. Call. Okay. So here we are using get mapping. So here we using request mapping. In request mapping, just use AI. Okay. So we're building a chat service. Just give that AI, then name as chat. Okay. After that, use request param, and here we passing from as a param. It is type of string. After that, import our service layer over here, private chat service. The chat service is auto wide this. After that, chat service dot prompt generator and pass this prompt. After that, just return this stuff. So let's run our system. Before running, we need to make sure that our Ollama is running in your system. If it's not running, then it's give you failure exception. Everything is look fine. So let's run our Spring Boot application. Okay. And let's see is everything working fine or not. We done with our code. So open a Postman. So already here I hit the request. Let's see everything fine or not. Localhost 8080 AI chat and prompt and our prompt question. Let's hit that. Okay, oops. We receive interest order. Let's see what error is coming. Let's okay. This dot okay. Let's jump to a service layer. So we forgot to auto add our Ollama model. Just auto add that. Bean is created in a Spring container. Okay, just restart our project again. Wait some time. So let's click on get API again, and let's see what output coming. Okay, so request go to Ollama. Okay, it took a time to process this stuff. Okay, because it's using our internal RAM. Okay, my system is hanging due to this. Okay, so let's wait some time. So great, we receive our prompt reply. Spring Boot is a popular open source framework used for a developer developing a Java application. Okay, so great. In that way, we successfully implement Chatbot. Okay, using a Spring AI tool and Ollama LLM model. So in future video, we implement image recognition and language processing. Okay, so if you still not subscribe to our channel, hit on subscribe channel, and if you like our video, give us a thumbs up, and let's meet on next video. Till then, happy coding.